check the might need air in this one, might it?
No, I've done it.
Oh.
I'm gonna go back.
Okay. There is a rattle on this bike, isn't there?
Rattle?
A rattle.
Ah. Oh, from the front?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. And it's been back to be serviced and test road and everything.
I don't like to say it, but it does change gear smoother.
What, that bike?
Yeah. Don't worry.
You dick.
And the position is it's not an all-day position.
Oh, but I can't believe how unlucky all that was.
I know, yeah. How unlucky did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Imagine if they'd tried to go through the insurance or whatever.
I know, yeah. Putting the dash cam footage on Cornwall Live.
I can't believe it, man.
That's a bit better. Road mode.
Yeah, you don't want anything else, man.
What's wrong with dynamic?
Try it. See how long it takes you before you turn it back. We're getting fuel now. Isn't that bike's full?
Yeah, I've got 140 mile in this. It's my turn to get it as well. Yeah, so we'll go now.
Where are we going to go?
Where are we going to go? No idea.
I had a little Citroen done up as a wedding car. Wait, I've not even put my airbag on. I need something to eat and drink. Especially after that. Imagine how raging he was, man.
Yeah. He was all wobbling, weren't he, when he got out? I don't know if it's age, but I couldn't ride this position all day.
Oh,
not anymore.
Shit, bike. Don't know why you'd have one of them when you can go and get a Street Fighter R or whatever with 214 horsepower in a set up position.
Yeah, in a better position.
You know, that, unless you were going to go to the track. Make your mind up.
Oh my god. Just go.
Do you know what's causing all this?
Yeah, cyclist. See it?
Cyclist.
Hey Cardo, radio off.
Radio on.
You idiot.
Oh, but lads, I feel proper bad on that guy.
Yeah, he's got right now, he's getting it paid for though.
Yeah, but like you said, it's just the inconvenience and everything. It didn't need to happen.
Yeah, putting him out of his way. I didn't think it, but this bike is well faster in it than them.
Yeah. It looks mint, that bike. So where are we going to go, lad?
What about that American diner? But go the coast road to it.
Where?
You know, that American diner where it was...
Oh, Jenn's Diner.
Jenn's Diner, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't need to get fuel for that then.
Whoa!
That was fast.
Bloody stalled it. Sorry.
No, you haven't.
My bloody fault.
You didn't.
I like those bloody KTMs. The more and more I see them.
Should I pretend to give this guy a pull along?
Yeah, ask him. Ask him if he wants it.
Oh, you cheap.
I don't think he liked that.
Go past us. I'll pull you up the hill. Come on. Are you in the race?
You're not pulling him up.
Yeah. Are you in the set? Are you in the race? Are you in this race? We're cheating. Right.
No way.
He's American.
Was it? How fast did you go?
25. She looked miserable.
Ah, she's not getting a lift.
Oh yeah, I'll give this a lift, no problem.
Oh yeah, see if she wants a lift. I've got to, I can't hold your hand though, I've got to push her.
I got another idea, go on, hook it in. Come on. Is that Rob?
No. You've still got that Suzuki, hasn't it?
At the same. Oh, can I grab him? What? Glad I'm not on a 20 grand bike. Riding in a narrow lane like that, two abreast. Do you want me to cheat you up the hill?
Oh, we could have got both of them. These might want a lift.
Nah, miserable. Maybe it was a bad decision to come this way, lad.
Yeah.
4 miles an hour.
Go on, he's letting you pass, lad. Thank you.
Muppet. See the size of his legs?
Yeah. He'd kick a lion to death. Yeah, so we've not done a video in a couple of weeks because the weather's been shit in the UK anyway. And that's why you've missed our lovely voices.
He's funny, that American guy.
Was he talking to you?
Yeah, no. He's just like, man, you're the best. I went, I know, he's a fucking Muppet up there though.
Where are they all going, Mark?
You're in the race.
Yeah, but where's the finish?
John O'Groats.
You've got a day or two yet then?
Nah, I don't know. I just noticed they all had numbers on. I can notice that gravel there. This old bike hire. He's the only one without a helmet.
Too cool for a helmet. I'm gonna say it again, the gear change on this is like butter. It's smooth as you like. And I didn't think you could get much better than those ones.
Even after you've knackered it.
Even after I knackered it, yeah. So we're going to try and get Jenn's Diner a big American breakfast, American English breakfast.
Do you reckon that camper van will have a dash cam?
I don't know. But they wouldn't have been able to see you anyway because of the smoke, because of all the dust, I mean.
Stupid idea, I can't believe. I'm joking. I was going to carry on and do another one, it would have gone right into that
into the granite.
into that massive rock.
Yeah. That would have took some explaining.
Oh, fucking good. Can't eat.
Oh, that's good, it's my treat. You can just have some lettuce. Oh crap, I've not put my elbow sliders on. I was going to get some elbow down today, boy.
Thought you were going to drop that bike?
Yeah, and stay on it this time.
There's a motorbike shop there.
What?
Get your bike MOT'd.
Get this bike MOT'd, you mean?
Actually, that is the oldest bike.
This one?
Yeah.
Same year as that, innit?
They're all the same year. But that Apollo was just days away from being a bloody 70 plate.
Why didn't you wait? You wanted it there and then?
Yeah. Oh, will you be alright doing this then?
Oh, I doubt it.
"9 AM to 8 PM. 9 AM.
Wonder why it's not so busy this Saturday. Look at your little trainer there. Move your foot, Baz.
Everyone's gone home, Baz. Baz, you're not taking up 2 spaces.
I'm not. You always say that every single time we stop.
You put your stand down.
Put you down in a minute. Look at his little shoe. Right, back in a minute. Let's rate this breakfast.